Hello everyone. Today we are going to study the chapter Hamari Naav Chale. Okay, so it's a poem. First of all, I'll read it and after that I'll explain it. Okay. हमारी नाव चली, आओ भैया तुम्हें सुनाए सुंदर एक कहानी, मगर नहीं राजा रानी की पर है बहुत पुरानी। छोटी छोटी नावें देखो हमको सैर कराती, पानी पर अटखेली करती सभी और ले जाती। कुछ पुरखे थे बस हमारे नदियों के ही तीर, कंद मूल फल खाकर जीते पीते निर्मल नीर। सोचो तो जब नाव नहीं थी तब हम क्या कर सकते, लंबी लंबी गहरी नदियां कैसे पार उतरते। लड़के खेला करते थे नित बाट नदी किनारे, तैर कभी कुछ पार उतरते कुछ रहते मन मारे। एक खिलाड़ी लड़का आया लिए पेड़ की टहनी, जोर लगा पानी में फेंकी रही तैरती टहनी। हुआ अचंभा सबको बेहद, टहनी जरा न डूबी, इधर उधर मंडराती जाती यह थी सबकी खूबी। लड़के सब हो गए इकट्ठे करने को खिलवाड़, लगे फेंकने लंबी शाखें पीपल हो या ताड़। वे सबके सब रहे तैरने बड़े मौज से बहते, लड़के उनको देख खुशी से आपे में क्या रहते। पानी पर क्या तैर सकेगी मोटी लकड़ी भारी, बड़े पेड़ का तना काटने की तब हुई तैयारी। रहा तैरता बड़ी शान से बड़े पेड़ का लट्ठा, उसके बाद गया तैराया बड़े तने का गट्ठा। बनने लगी तभी से नावें छोटी बड़ी हमारी, पानी से क्यों कर डर लगता विजय हुई थी भारी। सागर हमने जीत लिया है छूट गया डर सारा, चले चीरता उसकी छाती बड़ा जहाज हमारा। अगर नहीं वह छोटा लड़का टहनी को तैराता, बनती कैसे ये नौकाएं क्या जहाज बन पाता। So that was the poem. It is based on naukai means boats. It is we can say that it is a life story of a boat, how we started to make boats, wooden boats. Okay. हमारी नाव चली means our boat started to move. आओ भैया तुम्हें सुनाए सुंदर एक कहानी. Come on brother, let me tell you a beautiful story. मगर नहीं राजा रानी की पर है बहुत पुरानी. It's not the story about king and queen, but it is very old. छोटी छोटी नावें देखो हमको सैर कराती, पानी पर अटखेली करती सभी और ले जाती. Look at the small boats. वे क्या करती, it will ride us to the whole river. पानी पर अटखेली करती सभी और ले जाती. अटखेली करती means by playing it will show all, means it will ride us to all over the river. कुछ पुरखे थे बसे हमारे नदियों के ही तीर, कंद मूल फल खाकर जीते पीते निर्मल नीर. So some of our ancestors live in the banks of the river, and they used to eat the bulbous root and roots and also fruits, and they used to drink water from the river, means it will be fresh, so they will drink that fresh water. सोचो तो जब नाव नहीं थी तब हम क्या कर सकते. Just think about it. When there is no boats, what will we do? They are living nearby the river, and what can they do when there is no boats? लंबी लंबी गहरी नदियां कैसे पार उतरते. These big rivers will be big and also deep. How can we cross it? लड़के खेला करते थे निध बाट नदी किनारे तेर कभी कुछ पार उतरते कुछ रहते मन मारे. So all the boys, there'll be lots of boys, and they used to play. They will always play in the banks of the river, and from the boys, some of them they will cross the river by swimming, and those who don't know swimming, they will just sit there. एक खिलाड़ी लड़का आया लिए पेड़ की टहनी जोर लगा पानी में फेंकी रही तैरती टहनी. So when they are playing, one boy came there, and in his hand there was one branch, means a tree's branch was there in his hand, and he threw that branch to the river, and हुआ अचंभा सबको बेहद टहनी जरा न डूबी. So everyone became very amazed because that branch didn't sink. इधर उधर मंडराती जाती यह थी उसकी खूबी. With the waves, that branch just go here and there, but it didn't drown. It was the specialty of that one. लड़के सब हो गए इकट्ठे करने को खिलवाड़ लगे फेंकने लंबी शाखें पीपल हो या ताड़. So every boys came there, and that they started to play. They made it as a play. They started to throw big branches of people and palm. वे सबके सब रहे तैरते बड़े मौज से बहते लड़के उनको देख खुशी से आपे में क्या रहते. And whichever the stem or whichever the branch, all of them were just swimming in the water. They were streaming very happily, and while seeing this, all the boys, they were very happy. They couldn't control themselves. पानी पर क्या तैर सकेगी मोटी लकड़ी भारी बड़े पेड़ का तना काटने की तब हुई तैयारी. And after that they started to think that is it possible to swim big means big woods or heavy woods, is they can swim over the water. So what did they do? They just started to cut the stem of the trees. रहा तैरता बड़ी शान से बड़े पेट का लट्ठा. So that big stems also started to swim over the water. And उसके बाद गया तैराया बड़े तने का गड्ढा. And after that what did they do? They just started to float the bundle of stems. First of all they throw the branches, and after that they used to throw big stems of big branches of people and tar, means people and palm tree. And after that they started to throw heavy wood, and after that the stem of the trees, and at last they started to they started to float the bundle of stem. They started to float. बनने लगी तभी से नावें छोटी बड़ी हमारी. From there itself we started to make small to big boats. पानी से क्यों कर डर लगता विजय हुई थी भारी. So it was a huge victory of human beings. सागर हमने जीत लिया है छूट गया डर सारा. So we got the victory over ocean, and Now we can go through the ocean. We can cross it. अगर नहीं वह छोटा लड़का टहनी को तैराता, बनती कैसे ये नौकाएं, क्या जहाज बन पाता. So now you just think about it. If that boy didn't came there to play, if he didn't throw that branch to the river, what will happen? How can we make boats? How can we make ships? Is it possible? If he didn't came there and if he didn't throw that stem, that branch to the river, you just think about it. Okay, so that was a poem Hamari Naav Chali. Okay, I hope you all understand. Thank you for watching.